Hi guys and welcome back to Mohammed Makes. Today I've got something pretty exciting to tell you. I've got a loft bed. And today I'm going to make a hammock to put underneath. Would you like to see how I make it? If you've got a loft bed, I'd recommend trying it as well. So I've got some stretchy material, which I have cut to fit underneath the bed in this place where I am right now, and I've got some straps right here, which I'm going to tie up here and tie here so I can attach the material to it. So I have got a double knot, and then I'm going to leave a little space to attach the swing to with a swing hook, and I'm going to put a sock there to help me keep that space. My mum helped start me off because it was quite fiddly. Now my 4 straps are done. Now let's go downstairs to make the hammock. So this is my material. I've got blue on top and white below, and you are going to make one. I'm going to make one knot. And then I'm going to put my carabiner hook on. Then I'm going to knot the other way. Then I'm going to do it the opposite way again. Then the opposite way again. I'm going to keep going, tying the knots really tight till I've got no more space to make more knots. I have now finished all of my knots, and they actually look like Christmas tree shaped chessboards, which is really funny because one of my favourite games is chess. And now I'm really excited to go and hang this hammock swing up and see if it works. Do you want to see how it works? Let's go! Here we are, under the loft bed. This is really exciting. So I'm going to hook the first side on. Then I'm going to do the second hook on this one. Then I'm going to get the third hook and do it on this one at the very back. Okay, got that one. And this one at the back as well, right behind the ladder. It's ready. Oops. It touched the floor. Oops. It sank to the ground, which is obviously too low, so we're gonna cut it so we can make it like a bit less sinky, so it sinks less. I have now adjusted it and fingers crossed it'll work. I'm going to try the top layer first, the blue. Yes, it works! And then I'm going to get in the white layer now. I'm going to just it takes me to the ground, but that still feels nice.
Is it cozy?
Yep, it's very cozy. For me, this is a cozy, relaxing place for me to read books and draw stuff and do some relaxing activities. And it's not a place to swing for me. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you've got a loft bed, I'd recommend trying this out. Bye!